Introducing the PicoFocus laser by Skin Laser, a breakthrough in a laser technology designed for precision, versatility, and user convenience. This PicoFocus laser equipped with 7 articulated arms, the PicoFocus ensures high reflection accuracy, low energy loss, and uniform light spots. This PicoFocus stands out with its 4-mode operation interface: PicoFocus mode, long pulse mode, PTP mode, and multi-pulse mode. Each mode caters to a variety of treatment needs, providing unmatched flexibility and precision. In PicoFocus mode, our software simplifies treatment with auto, preset energy, and a manual setting of frequency and spot size recommendation for each procedure. Long pulse mode with 300 microsecond pulse width penetrates deep into the dermis to stimulate fibroblast growth, promote collagen regeneration, and enhance the skin elasticity. This is ideal for brightening, firming, whitening, pore reduction, and fine wrinkle removal. In PTP mode, divides the pulse into two, reducing discomfort, protecting surrounding tissue, and accelerating collagen regeneration for improved skin health. In multi-pulse mode, energy divided into 3 sub-pulses. This method effectively targets melanosomes with reduced side effects and pain. PicoFocus laser machine offers complete control with adjustable spot size from 2 to 10, energy levels, and frequency, which is the number of shots per second. This flexibility allows practitioners to tailor treatments to each client's need. In PicoFocus mode, the device targets the broadest range of pigment and tattoo color using 4 wavelengths: 1064, 532, 650, and 585 nanometer. These wavelengths effectively address 9 common tattoo colors from light orange to dark black, with options 532 nanometer and 650 nanometer capabilities. PicoFocus, the ultimate solution for comprehensive, safe, and effective laser treatments, redefining possibilities in dermatology.